Hello everyone, in front of me is CUBOT X70, and let me show you how to locate IMEI number assigned to this device. Start with opening your phone dialer, then go to keypad and enter a secret code, which is *# or £6. And here you've got device information with your IMEI and serial number included. Click on OK then. And that's not the end, because you can also find IMEI via settings. So let's open the settings at first, scroll all the way down and mark About Phone. Here you will notice status, and now you can smoothly read IMEI numbers. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.